Alright, it's late. This is the last thing for the day. I'm gonna slip through. I'm getting sick. I'm gonna play in the key of G. So we're gonna look at that. We're gonna look at these four chords. Alright. So it's a G, F, E flat, B flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quartal everything, okay? Um, isn't that beautiful? Wow. So let's put it in some type of context. Let's play it one more time, okay? Let's see. I've decided that Jesus, my true. That's just, I don't know what that is. I don't know. Do it one more time. All right. Let's try something different. Let's go. Did you hear that? Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, we gotta turn that up. Oh my goodness, check that out. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Wait, hold on. What did I do? What did I do? Okay. Okay. Try it. because it's really keeping the melody in the left hand. Let's try one time. That's it. One more time. One more time. All right. So what am I doing there? That's a quartal. That's quartal. That's interesting. G quartal or 6/9, I guess it's called. E flat. 6/9. F 6/9. 6/9. So let's do it. What? Oh. Last time. What? One last time. All right. So let's just fool around. I'm just gonna do that one more time. I'm just. Yeah. Superstar status. Peace.